everyone, how are you doing today? I appreciate you stopping in to see what I am up to. And I have both of my Walmart beauty boxes. One is the classic and one is the Trendsetter. A little bit about Walmart's beauty boxes. They are free. Technically not, but yes, they are classified as free. You do pay $5 in shipping. They are a seasonal, so you get winter, spring, summer, and fall. They also do offer men's boxes. They're about $7 to $10. They have limited edition boxes. They're usually around that $9, $10 mark. And you get about 5 items in your boxes. Sometimes there's full-size items. So this very first one, I'm not sure which this one is. I thought I changed my name around on their site, but I guess I did not. So one's classic and one's Trendsetter. When I post photos, I will let you know which one is which. They might be the same, I don't know. This is what you see. And we do have, let me just see if this is just a front and back. They put a little, I guess some of the things you could get in your box from the Walmart beauty box. Looks like a nice, nice options or choices that we could get. The very first thing that I see, which I'm excited for, I love this brand and they make great products. Can be a little pricey, but they're still like Target, Walmart, like pharmacy, like Rite Aid and Walgreens, CVS, things like that, which is number 7. And this is the Advanced Retinol Complex Night Concentrate, you know, and these are all samples. So let's open this up. Do I see number 7 on here? Yep, full size. It's $34.98. Yes, that is expensive. So you get a little sample, and you don't need a lot, but this would give you a few uses to see if this is something you like. And it does come with some paperwork. You know, you could read on, you know, exactly what is in there. Read the information. Then I see from, I guess it's from Mybite, guilt-free chocolatey vitamins, and it says yum. And I think we've tried these before. Full size for a 60-day supply is $11.96 at Mybite Vitamins. Let's see if it tells you. Oh, we'll just open them up and take a look at them. Oh, they must have different varieties. There's 4 in here. 2 of, I don't know. So this one's, they're just little samples. This says multi on it. This one says calcium. So it's just a single chew. And then this is hers. This one says hers on it, so there might be a Hims. Hers. And then this one says energy. So you get 4 to try them. Like I said, I think we've tried these before. They're very good tasting, like nutty and stuff like that. So if you, hers is a multivitamin energy, caffeine and B vitamins. The multi, you know, just your multivites, and then the calcium is calcium plus vitamins D and K. Now I wonder if, oh, I guess you would buy like all the individual bottles depending on what you needed. So I'm excited for that. I love stuff like that because you never know until you try samples if you're going to like a vitamin or not. And I would buy them just because they're chocolate. So this is from DermaFix, the Blemish Custom Patch. You get 1 patch, it looks like. Full size is $3.50. You get 2 patches, and here you just get 1. That's 50 by 72 millimeters. So probably, you know, not very big, but still happy to have it. Then from Bio Oil, we have a dry skin gel. Little foil pack. And full size is $5.99 for 1.7 ounces, so we just a little sample to try it. And then in here, which does me no good, but I'll put these in a giveaway if anybody is interested, you know, for yourself or for, you know, a younger daughter. LOLA organic cotton tampon with a plastic applicator. Full size is $2.98. You get 8, and in here is 8. So this is the size for, so this is your full size product for $3 right there. And then, I'm just trying to position this stuff back in here. And then we have from Cetaphil Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. And full size is $16.97. It's 1.7 ounces. And this is a lightweight cream, 48-hour hydration. Sensitive skin. What does it say? And this is good for sensitive skin people. Nice. I like that too. So this is one of the boxes that I received. Right there, trying to... I knew it was going to fall. So that's not a bad box. $5. I'll take it. And I saved my label because I can look it up and see what box is what. So that's the first box. So then we'll open the second box and see what we have in here. Okay, some different things. So it should be a little easier for me to figure out. You know, same card. So we have the same, you know, LOLA tampons, organic cotton tampons. That's good. I'm just going to take some of this stuff out so that I can... Oh, that's nice. So then we got the same bio oil dry skin gel. So then this is Vital Proteins, strawberry lemon beauty collagen. So that's in this little pack. This is from Vital Protein Strawberry Lemon Beauty Collagen. The full size is $24.98 for 9.6 ounces. And this is just, you know, maybe enough to put in, like, probably a water bottle. And this is good till August of this year. I would have to read this to see, but that's good. And let's see what this is. From Neutrogena, Stubborn Acne AM Treatment. Full size is $9.97. Obviously, this is a sample, but that's good. And this is nice to get from Earth to Skin. And this is hand sanitizer gel. 2 ounces, which this is $6.99 value. So that right there cover, and we all need that. That's a great size for your handbag to put in, like your cup holder in your car and the door of your car. And hand gel does not freeze, by the way. And then we have from Hard Candy a long wear sheer envy setting spray. Right here. How exciting is this? Is this on here? Full size is $5.97. So this is full size, right? Let me see. 2.2 ounces. This is 2.2 ounces. Sheer Envy makeup setting spray. How nice is that? So this is full size. This is full size. And this is full size in the same box. And in the other box, just the tampons were the full size. So that's this box right here. And I'll pop a picture up with their card. It's the same card. It's universal for any of the boxes. So I think for $10, I mean, I definitely got $10 worth of products. I mean, I have 2 boxes, so $5 each. So I think this is a good value. I love getting these boxes. And they're just once a season. So it's not like it's every month you're paying $5 and getting this kind of stuff. Because then you would start to accumulate tons and tons of stuff. Here's my samples drawer already. I don't know if you guys can see too much of that, but it's already jammed from Macy's, from Ipsy's, and just other little samples that we receive. So I'll put some of those in my drawer if I want to try them, and I'll put some in the giveaway drawers. But with these boxes, like I said, you know, once a season for $5, you can't beat it. I think for the most part, I don't know about other countries. I have no idea, like Canada and all that stuff, you know, what Walmart, where Walmart is, if it's available where you live. These are a great value for, you know, for us here in the U.S. I do miss my Target Beauty box, and I know I said this in my last video. I loved my Target Beauty boxes every month. As soon as they were available, I ordered them. If they had 2 or 3, I ordered them. Never failed. You always got a full-size item, and they were $7.99, I think. They were such a bargain, too, and I don't know why they stopped them. It makes me sad. I wish Target would start them up again for this year. I think they are missed, especially by me, and I'm sure by a lot of you. They were a great, great box to get. So they are my Trendsetter and my classic beauty boxes from Walmart for the winter month. If I didn't say that, I'm not sure if I did. And I'll pop up pictures at the end, and I'll let you know which one was the Trendsetter and which one was the classic. If you haven't signed up for these, I'd leave their link and all their information down below. It's just a direct link to the beauty box, no discount code or anything like that, obviously, because they are classified as free boxes. I hope you're all doing well, staying safe, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.